The Legal Assistance Committee presents the Pro Bono Attorney of the Year Award. This award is given to an individual who has demonstrated dedication to the development and delivery of legal services to the poor or contributed significantly toward developing innovative ways to deliver volunteer legal services. This year, the committee is making awards to two outstanding attorneys who filled a critical need pro bono advice and representation for workers who had difficulty obtaining unemployment benefits during the pandemic. They both also volunteered additional time to advise other attorneys who faced unemployment issues for their clients. Attorney Rebecca Salawdeh is being recognized as a Pro Bono Attorney of the Year. She is a solo practitioner in Wauwatosa, and she also specializes in representing employees in work-related matters. Attorney Salawdeh helped staff legal action of Wisconsin's volunteer unemployment clinic nearly every week during 2020 and assisted over 125 workers with their unemployment claims and appeals. Please join me in honoring Attorney Rebecca Salawdeh.
Hello, I'm very honored to be receiving this award as the Pro Bono Attorney of the Year. While I am the one receiving the award, I recognize that my efforts to help individuals with their unemployment compensation problems would not have been possible without the work and support of so many more people. When the pandemic hit, Legal Action of Wisconsin was quick to respond, working to understand the new laws and programs and working to increase the services to those hardest hit in our economy. I understand that Legal Action helped more than 10 times the number of people with unemployment concerns in 2020 than it did in 2019. However, as good as the attorneys are at Legal Action, they were not able to make this leap themselves. While I increased my time volunteering with Legal Action's unemployment clinic, so did many other lawyers, some who had never taken an unemployment case before but understood the need and responded to it. The State Bar also deserves recognition for working with Legal Action and other nonprofit legal clinics to encourage more attorneys to take these and other cases pro bono. One report found that lawyers in our state provide more than 40,000 hours per year of pro bono legal services. The emphasis on pro bono work by the State Bar leadership is important and also remarkable. How many other professions have the level and expectation of volunteerism that is common among lawyers? It is something that we should all be proud of. Finally, the time I have spent volunteering for Legal Action's unemployment clinic this past year would not have been possible without the love and support of my husband, Hytham. It is in large part because of his support for my work that I have had the ability to take on more pro bono work. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to encourage each of you to engage in pro bono work. In 2007, the State Bar published a report on bridging the justice gap, which found that 45% of low-income households have encountered legal problem in the past year. 2/3 of these households include minor children, and up to 80% of poor households that encounter a legal problem do so without legal assistance. While the generosity of State Bar members has been amazing, we can all do better. Organizations like Legal Action make the process easy, provide you with the training and support you may need, and make it possible for you to help in whatever capacity you are able. Also, as so often is the case, it is incredibly rewarding to do this work. When I look over this past year, my most personally rewarding successes have not been the most financially successful, but have been obtaining unemployment for the person who is about to be evicted and could now stay in her home. It was helping to explain the unemployment process and hearing the relief from people who had been trying for weeks to reach anyone to help and clarify. And we're so grateful to have someone spend the time to answer their questions. In closing, thank you again to the State Bar for recognizing the importance of pro bono work and in the legal profession, and to Legal Action for facilitating that work.